sexy. I want to see you at Halloween. I really do. No. Right. Feeling the look. Ew. No, back to you.
Reggie?
Shaggy?
Zoinks!
Shaggy? Whoop.
Like man! Like man! Like, let's get out of here, Scoop! I did the laugh. No, Ricky! Nice.
So you think I'll be good for Halloween?
Yeah, bro. I mean, I'd be pretty scared, bro. If I was like 10, bro.
Yeah!
I just shit my pants, bro.
Hello? Come here.
That's a good cosplay outfit. That's actually, you kind of look like freaking Dookie, like a whole doo-doo. Or a whole, you look like a freaking cockroach. Yeah, it's a girl. Gang, it's a freaking cockroach.
Let's go! Hey, let's go, PS4 guys in this bitch.
You look, would you kill me? I would pay you to kill me.
No.
You look like the cockroach that lives in the corner of my room.
You need to clean your room. Where's my cousin? Let me talk to him. You a weird mother.
What's up, Keith?
Hey, what's up, my guy?
I'm a roach. You got breadcrumbs?
Nope.
I'm trying to eat.
Nah, bro. I am uglier than I thought. Damn. No. What song you vibing to? Is that your Halloween costume? I like it. You're gonna make someone kill you at the door.
Them ban me, so me have to type in Chatroulette. Let me see if we can go on here now.
Nice.
Happy Halloween. Yeah. What are you looking for? What are you looking for, though? Us? Yeah. Here we are.
What's that behind you?
I want candy.
Wait, no.
No. The other jar. No, the other one.
On the left.
No, the other one. I got it.
Yeah, no.
Yeah. No, never mind. I don't want it anywhere.
Eat one.
Oh, is it FamousSosick? I know.
Who's Bubba? You're Bubba?
You're Bubba?
Are you born in Jamaica? Which part?
I know what you look like now. I'm on your YouTube channel. Well, this is great because we do YouTube also. You're famous. I mean, his name is famous.
Are you rich?
Are you Richard? No. You can't Willy bounce? Whoa. Hey.
Yo, Wagwan. Why you scared, bro?
I'm not scared, like.
Bro, you just jumped, bro.
Yeah, like, what
you
the
did
fuck?
this.
Like, what the fuck?
You did this.
Like, what the fuck? What the fuck?
That's like, oh shit.
No, it's more like, what the fuck?
Nah, it was like, oh shit. So I can go on again. Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Bien, ¿y tú?
No habla español.
No. Oh, a cucaracha! You're so fucking cute. Stop it. You wanna be my boyfriend? Yeah? Hell yeah. I hope your dick is longer than these stuff. Is it? Oh shit, that's a no? No, don't shoot me, motherfucker. You silly goose. Where are you from? Come on, talk to me, bro. What the fuck? Where are you from?
How you know I got a voice?
There you go. A sexy ass voice. Ooh, baby. Where are you from?
Jamaica.
Jamaica. You speak patois?
Yes, me speak patois.
Oh, yes, daddy. Hello. Where do you live?
Florida.
Florida. You're
Yes.
fucking lying ass. Can you speak like your natural, normal language?
Jamaican?
You're not Jamaican.
I am Jamaican.
Let me see your face.
Am I gonna look like a Jamaican?
No, I just want to see your face, that's all. Where the fuck did you get this mask from? Come on now. Seriously. Why did you get the whole outfit? But I like your jacket. Like, is that the outfit, the jacket too? What are you? Are you a roach?
Yes, I am.
Are you a roach?
I'm a killer roach.
I'll fucking step on you. Kill your ass.
That's not nice.
That's a flying roach. I hate those.
And I just got my license.
Motherfucking roach.
Where you from?
California.
I'm coming to Cali next month.
You coming here?
Yeah.
For what?
For vlogging. I'm a YouTuber.
You what?
I am a YouTuber.
You're a YouTuber? You coming here? You come here, man. I'll show you everything you want to see.
You
Where
lying. You're not going to show me nothing.
Hell no. I'm just fucking with you. Where you coming?
You can't be my tour guide?
If the price is right, I'll be your tour guide. Time is money, baby. And I love money. I'm off sugar. I can't.
What's your price?
I make at work around 300 a day. If you match it, I'll go.
Easy.
Okay. With tip. Don't forget
Easy.
the tip. The tip is very important.
Easy.
Just
easy.
tip. Okay. So let's go.
I got the tip right here. Daniel, don't kill me.
Oh. El Pepe.
El Pepe.
At the sedge. El sedge?
That's creepy.
Hey, the 31 is Halloween.
Halloween is tomorrow.
No.
What the fuck?
What the hell?
Are you a cockroach?
Where are you from?
Canada.
I'm just bored. I need some friends. They killed all of my friends.
They killed all your friends? Your cockroach friends? Yikes.
We was just eating a piece of bread. Next thing I know is I'm a YouTuber.
Really?
Yes.
Hello.
Hold on there, before you click off, remember the merch in the bio right now for purchase. Any Big Up My G's merch, any color, we have everything for the ladies them, you know what I mean? We have phone case, we have everything, we have pullover, we have regular shirt, we have long sleeve. Support the movement, my G's. Blessings and respect. Up it in a